Hello everyone, my name is Lily, and today I'm going to show you how to stitch on TikTok with a video from Camera Roll. If you've got a clip on your smartphone that you just want to stitch, you either saved one from TikTok or a video that you recorded. I'll show you how to stitch it, so let's get started right away. First of all, you need to make absolutely sure the video is in your camera roll, which it most likely is, and then open the TikTok app. Now, pretend you're creating a new TikTok, so press this plus button, then record a video or upload one from your gallery by pressing this upload button. I'm just going to follow along and pick some short clips and then tap next. You can even customize the video as you like, just as you typically would. Tap next, so now you're going to tweak a few options. You're going to allow duet, you're going to allow stitch, you're going to allow save to device, and where it says who can watch this video, change it to only me and then tap post. This one will be saved to your private TikToks, so go to your profile and hit the lock button. This is where your private TikToks are. I'm going to select the video I previously created, tap those three dots, and now I'm going to simply stitch with this. I'm going to choose where I want to stitch, and I just want this part of the clip. And then record my stitch. Just tap and hold down the button. Tap the check mark, then tap next. When you're here on this screen, make sure to adjust this only me back to everyone, and you can add anything you want. You can add your hashtags, choose your cover and then your caption, and now you can go ahead and post. Everyone will now be able to see your stitched video, including an added video of your selection. I hope you found this video useful. If it was, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more app tutorial videos. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below, and, as always, thanks for watching.